Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get this eye look right here, and I used a bunch of different olive toned eyeshadows, some browns, and this really pretty greenish gold on the center of my lid. And if you're curious what is on my lips, this is a Deck of Scarlet palette. I keep wanting to say palette. This is a Deck of Scarlet product. It's a dual-ended lippy. So on one side you get the lip liner, and it's really pretty cool tone mauve. That's that right there. And on the other side you get the chubby, which is in the same color. So that is what I have on my lips, and I overdrew them, and it was really easy to do that because these are the same colors. So I just lined my lips, overlined my lips with the lip liner part, and then I filled them in with the chubby. And the chubby is super creamy. Super creamy. It feels really good. My lips look a little matte because I did put the Milani More Matte Lip Cream in the shade Adorable on the middle of my lips, but had I not done that, my lips would have a satin finish. And I love how this lip turned out. It kind of reminds me of the 90s. If you don't know about Deck of Scarlet, I will leave the website down below in the description box. And this product came with the newest palette that was created by Melly Sanchez right here. She's a YouTuber here on YouTube. So I will leave all her social media down below in the description box as well, just in case you want to check her out. I haven't actually dug into her palette yet, but I'll probably be doing that in the next video. Anyway guys, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
A transition color, I'm using this cool tone brown from the E.L.F highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to place that right above my crease. And then my crease color, I'm going to be using the green out of this Sephora Trio eyeshadow. These are baked eyeshadows. And this green is not completely matte, but it is matte enough to use as a crease color. You can't really see the shimmer too well. And then on my lid, I'm going to use a green from the Earth Angel Duo set from NARS. And then I'm going to put a highlighter on top of it. And that's how I got that shimmery look. Of course, add some eyeliner and some mascara. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going back in with that original cool tone brown. And then I'm going to use this green again from the Sephora Trio and put it on the outer and inner corner of my lower lash line. And then in the middle, I'm going to use this highlighter from Wet n Wild from their Midnight Mermaid collection and put that right in the center of my lower lash line. And that's also the highlighter I placed on my upper lid. So this is the final look. Sorry this is a pretty old video. I will be coming out with new content soon, so stay tuned for that.
Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!